Milos. It's our last full day here on the island and we've had a really nice relaxing morning. Today is not so hot, it's really beautiful and sunny outside, but I think it's only around 21 degrees and the winds are definitely blowing today. So we've decided not to go to the beach. We're gonna explore Pollonia because we haven't really seen it too much during daylight yet. We're gonna have some breakfast and then walk around the town.
Just another cat. Tipping in that.
Alright, so we're walking to breakfast now. I can't remember the name of the breakfast place that we're going to, but we'll show you the sign when we get there. And we're really excited for a yummy Greek breakfast. So we've arrived at the bakery. This is the name of the bakery, hence why I'm not saying it on camera. Having breakfast at the bakery. The food was really delicious. I had a traditional Greek breakfast and Jay had an omelette. And during breakfast we made a cute little kitten friend who kept coming up to us and trying to steal our food. Eventually he hit the jackpot because we gave him some bacon because he was very persistent. But yeah, now we're just gonna head into town.
So today we are going to be exploring Pollonia, just in the local area. We can't go to the beach today because there are gale force winds. And then we're going to have dinner in a place called Plaka.
We're a bit hungry, so we're gonna get some lunch, but it's so windy! They weren't kidding when they said it was gonna be windy today, so I'm glad we didn't go to the beach. I love it here, it's so cute. Plaka for a little bit. It's really, really windy outside, but we found a little restaurant to have lunch in. It's really cute. There's a little dog walking around, and we've ordered some food. Alright, so we're back in Pollonia. We didn't end up going to the catacombs because it's really windy, as you saw earlier, and the roads were kind of dangerous, especially in our ATV. We could just feel it swaying while we were driving. So we're back in Pollonia. We're gonna find a place for coffee and somewhere to warm up. Alright, so we're at Deck, which is apparently a cocktail, coffee, and everything bar. We're gonna go have some coffee.